Good morning, retail traders. Today I want to talk about the trade about the SPY yesterday and how we recognized the move before it happened. So yeah, it was a great trade and we played it a couple of times, played right out of the gate. And then also I want to, not that one, bring up that we do have a YouTube live. We're open, where I'm on here 8 hours a day during market hours. So that's, we also have a link down there to Discord inside of the content. But I want to discuss this trade that I called out here. And I was telling the room about to wait at a certain level and wait for like a J-hook pattern and then take the trade. So we're going to go ahead and look at the chart. This is what I call the sneaky snake breakout. It's locating a trend, trying to find a trend, and then once it breaks out of the trend, take the trade and try to recognize patterns inside of that vertical box. I call it a bull flag, and I'm looking to take these trades. So on this one here especially, we took it early in the morning and we run it up to the 200. So as I exited the trade, we had a nice little dip from that 200 right here. So that's part of the sneaky snake. Take the trade and run it up to the 200 and then exit. Or it depends on market conditions. So we're sitting here at the double bottom right about in here. And I'm going to go ahead and put a trend line right there. Right about in here. We already had the 3 times the triple top that was up here, and I was saying just wait, let it come back and touch the double bottom, and then I'm looking for a J hook. And I said I want to look for an engulfing candle, and then I'll take the trade on some kind of pattern or some kind of recognition that I think this thing's going to turn. But also the trade looked good because if you pull it back, and we're going to pull up the 5-day 5-minute, and you look at it this way, we also did have another double bottom on the day before, and we turned around and touched that. We had a nice little bounce into close, and called that trade out too. Same kind of trend. So we took this trade first, and then we came in, sold it at the 200, and then I called the double bottom, which was actually a triple bottom, and then she went ahead and bounced up. Now I'm going to show you another part about the sneaky snake that makes this trade phenomenal. So we took this one here right out of the gate and we took it to the 200. So I let people know, I said I want to wait for the third hit, and then I want it to pull back and have a J hook and then run on up and try to get out of the trade. So that's called the sneaky snake. You got the trend and then you have the pattern. But I'm doing this all on a 1-minute time frame. That way I can recognize the candlesticks before the big move happens, and I can get in the trade way before the actual time to take the trade. And that's when the 9, and then I'm going to show you another part about the sneaky snake that will keep you from chasing the trade 100%. And if you don't catch it the first time, you'll catch it the next, but it takes practice, and about 28 times of seeing this trade happen, you'll become a believer. So I tell the class, or tell the room, I say that first initial breakout, if you miss it, wait for the pullback. And if it proves to be a higher low on that pullback, that's when you want to take the entry. As a rookie, you don't want to, I try to illustrate patience when trading. If you just allow a little bit of patience, let it pull back and retest. And if you retest with a higher low, the thing's going to have a nice breakout. So initially I took the trade way down over in here and added on, and then took the trade and just run it up all the way to about the end of the day. Scaled out some on the way up to show them how easy the sneaky snake is when you take it to the 200 and walk away. So that was $100, $100 and some scalp right there. So what I'm saying, let it retest and then take the trade if you miss it. And that happens many, 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 many times. So that's the SPY. I think we're going to go higher. We're definitely going to have a Santa rally, and I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. But I just wanted to show this strategy on how to take a sneaky snake trade when the market's very bearish and we're waiting for like the Fed speaker to come out, and I'm sitting here gun-ho all day long trading this thing. So have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'd sure appreciate it. You know, this is the sneaky snake trading strategy, and I'm sharing it until I get ready to retire here real soon. And y'all have a great day.